Alright, so I got 2 jacks and 2 Harbor Freight jack stands underneath of it. So I'm probably gonna die. Nice knowing y'all.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up.
Well, I'm back at it again. See what today's project is. Oh, that's right. It's a starter. The starter went bad in this thing. Getting ready to drive it up this morning to go get it inspected, and had it at work last night, and the starter went bad. Tapped on it a couple times with the hammer and it fired up. Went to try to fire it up this morning. Fired up a couple times and then went so it's bad. And from the videos I've seen online, this ought to be fun. Let me get to it. Oh, it's out. It's out. Now I just gotta get this one in. Uh-huh. Of course, you gotta have somebody mowing in the background. So, I got all 3 bolts out, got the starter out, which was kind of a pain. And everybody's been talking on these videos on YouTube about how to get in there to get to those bolts. Well, as you can see, I have an extension on a 10mm socket with a swivel on it, another extension onto an adapter up to this contraption. Yeah. Not a lot of room to get in there on these cars. This is what I had to use. And that, I just bought at Ace, and it cost me $25 for those 2 pieces. Woo. Price of tools gone through the roof. But I needed it. So, that extension, that, another extension, an adapter, and more extensions. But, it works. And she all hooked back up. So hopefully she starts. You know, it just seems that every time I take this thing to get a fancy sticker in the window, something breaks on it. So, I'll tell you one thing, this thing's breaking my wallet. So, got the new starter on, fixed the ball joint again. So, took it for a test drive and seems to be riding okay for now. So I thought I'd play around with the 10-disc changer. Back in the day, they used to have what's in the changer in the back of Mini Truckin' Magazine. And they'd have a list of like whatever CDs that they had in there, which I always took note because I'm an audiophile. So, what's in mine? Well, I've got this, which is a tribute to David Allan Coe, Anthrax, Black Label Society, Slayer, Rob Zombie, Shadows of the Fall, which I just got that one, and Typo Negative. Yeah, boy. Doing a little headbanging tonight. I had 1 slot left over, so went over to the Yoda and pulled out Cannibal Corpse. Yeah.